This was a total fail.
I'm not doing this.
Hello everyone, my name is Amina. Welcome back to Amy and Nana. In today's video, we will be trying something that we had never done before until now, and it is applying our regular routine only on half of our hair. So we are going to take a shower with our regular shampoo. We will not apply a conditioner, but we will apply the products that we normally apply, but only on half of our hair. On the other half, we will just not apply anything and see the difference, you know? Okay, I'll just let you watch the video because it's really interesting. Oh, one more thing. I dare you to count how many outfits we appear in for each of us. Yeah, I want to see that in the comments, okay?
Let's talk about this. Ouch. Sorry for my ouchies. It's just that I made a fake movement at the gym and my arm hurts so much. So be patient with me. But let's jump straight into this video. As you can see, my hair looks mshakulk, which in Moroccan means that, it's so messy, doesn't have any structure. Please don't get confused by the camera. It's actually messy. No volume, no definition, absolutely nothing. But on camera looks good, but it doesn't. I mean, if I went out like this, it would look like a shakika, as people in Morocco would say. Ho spettinato in Italian. So what happened? Why these curls are not in the right spots, with the right shape and so on? Well, I only used shampoo to wash my hair last night, and my curls is pretty much straight, and maybe you don't see it on camera, but come on, this is not what I would wish to someone who wants to have really good curls. Also, I slept with it, but normally when I use my normal routine, I can preserve the curl even overnight. So when I wake up, I just need to give it a shake and they are back in line. They look good, and so I'm ready to go. But this time, literally, they look straight. I mean, if I knew that just by washing your hair with shampoo, you could have them straight, I mean, almost straight, I could have done it when I was 13. When I was 13, I was ashamed of my curls, so I used to straighten my hair a lot, which damaged my hair a lot. I'm step by step recovering my previous pattern by treating my curls as if they were babies. So I give them all the nutrients, the oils, the natural products that they deserve, because they have been treated so badly when this girl was 13 back in the days. Actually, till 17, I straightened my hair a lot, and then I realized that my curls were actually the big deal. My curls are amazing and I shouldn't be ashamed of them. Actually, I should just brag about them, because everybody wants natural curls. Most of the times, girls go to the hairdresser to get their curls done. So be proud of your curls. Nothing is wrong with them. Sorry, I'm talking to myself when I was 13, and to you if you are ashamed of your curls. Close parenthesis, let's go back to this video. Let me show you a little bit the mass here. So this part will stay the same, like this, all right? Here, if you can see, look, this is straight for me. And we're gonna change this part. Also here, it's kind of straight. But how are you going to do it? Whoop! And let's go to the bathroom. Alright, maybe with the light here you can see it even better, that my hair doesn't look like nothing. Here it's straight. No, no, nothing. Let's turn around. Alright, do I look crazy? Yes, I do. Let's start the experiment. It's pure water, by the way. Okay, my hair is completely wet. This one wasn't touched, this part. So now it's about applying the product. Normally I use the Naughty curly hair shampoos, conditioners, and creams. They lasted me for 6 months, but not the conditioner because you need a lot. So I was gifted these new products. The Curly Care, I don't know if you can see it, shampoo, the Curly Care conditioner. They are made with recyclable plastic that can be recycled, and they seem really good for curls. Also, I have this intensive deep conditioner for curls and this spray, which is a 5-in-1 leave-in from the same brand. So this is the first time and we will see how it works. Otherwise, in my normal routine, I use Fructis, Garnier, the vegan formula. I use the mango one. I used also the banana one. I'm actually in love with those products, so I think I used all of them. But now I really wanted to test these. So we applied shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm gonna apply this 5-in-1 leave-in spray that detangles and protects curls. So we scrunch. That's it. We applied shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in. I also like to apply a drop of oil on my hair. It could be argan oil, and I recommend to watch the video that is going to pop up above or below. Or nut oil. Actually, every type of oil, as long as I have oil, but just like a little drop so it's not greasy. Alright, so now we're gonna wait for the hair to dry, and we will straight away compare the differences between this and that.
Okay, so I'm just going to take a shower like I normally do, except this time I'm not going to be using any conditioner, but I will be using my regular shampoo. So if you see me rub something white against my head, that's my solid shampoo. I no longer use shampoos that come in bottles, but this shampoo that I have is okay, so I'm struggling to get it. It's a bit slippery because it's been in the water. Okay, I either rub it between my hands and then apply it, or I just rub it directly on my head, as I was saying. It does not create any foam because it does not have any parabens nor sulfates, and it's vegan, so it does the work silently, you know what I mean? And I just apply it on my scalp because when I will wash it with water, the substance will run through my length, so I don't really need to apply it directly on my length, and it avoids breakage, you know. So if you see the white substance running with water coming out of my hair, that is the shampoo. Now, I normally brush my hair while it's wet, so I either brush it when I'm still in the bathroom, like right after I come out, or I just brush it in the shower so that I can wet my hair if I need to, because brushing it wet avoids split end and frizz, and you know the drill if you have curly hair. So I'm just gonna brush it. Do you know Brush Me by Russ? It's one of my favorite songs. Who am I kidding? All Russ's songs are my favorite songs. But yeah, okay. Now I am done.
Okay, the hair is almost dry. Look at the results. We can see here juicy curls. Let me get closer. Really nice curls, and here the hair washed only with shampoo, which is almost straight. So let me show it again. Alright, I look so weird because one part is well done and the other one is garbage. But yeah, there was a nice experiment. They are still a bit drying, but we can already see the definition and the difference between the two parts. Let's look at it again. I mean, it's not perfect, but the curves are there. That's for me the most important thing. And here it's straight. Alright, so now I'm gonna make this part look like this part, or even better. Enhance this curve, and then I get back to you.
This time I will be using this leave-in called Fructis by Garnier. And yeah, I will show you the results in a few minutes, hopefully. One eternity later. So this is what I got. This part is plain and this part has a leave-in on. So my verdict, this was a total fail because I actually went to the office like this and now I'm gonna head to the university like this, and it's like, whoa, chill. In terms of volume, this obviously has more volume, but in terms of definition, this side wins. Although normally I do my hair like flipping my head downward, like doing like this, you know, and then I do it so that I have both the volume and the definition. But since I didn't want to touch this part with the product, I was like, and so you see in this, like on the back, I have wavy hair. If you compare these sides, this one looks curlier, although the curls are hugging each other, you know what I mean? Whereas here, they're not that loving. You know, they're not hugging each other that much. So I think in here I don't need that much leave-in, but in here I totally do. Like, what is this? We should know our hair in order to bring out the best of it, because not the entire hair is the same type. It can be dry-ish in some parts, very, very dry in others, greasy in others, and it can be 2C in some parts and 3C in other parts, you know, so you really need to know your hair, and that's why normally when I style my hair, and many people with curly hair style their hair, they section it, okay, so that they know which section, of course, which section needs more or less product, or which product is needed for each section, because, you know, some parts need more protein and some parts need more hydration. So yeah, we can totally do another video about that. It is all about the perfect routine and the perfect product for you at that very moment. Because sometimes we think, okay, so this is working very well, but if it contains a lot of protein, then your hair would lack, like, you know, definition, and it would need a little bit of hydration. So the perfect products at that very moment will no longer be perfect at another moment, you know. So you just have to, you know, try the products that work for you. And taking a shower with only shampoo is definitely not the way to go for curly haired people. But if once in a while, if you don't want to use anything and you want to go natural, it's not bad, you know. But yeah.
So here we are in the next day. As you can see, my curls are here, are back, because I applied my normal routine. They're not perfect because I just woke up, as you can see from my face. But yeah, so I slept with my curls and they stayed. It's not like yesterday, as you can see if you go back in this video. After this experiment, we can tell that if you have curls, don't wash your hair just with shampoo, unless you want them straight. Here we go. Enjoy my curls. Also, they're a little bit frizzy because first I woke up, and secondly, it's humid outside, and I went outside for a little bit. So, but I am still in love with my curls. They are fine. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video that Ami and I made with so much energy and so many efforts. And I hope you guys can subscribe to our channel for more videos on curly hair. And also don't forget to watch our previous videos, they are really useful. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you the next time. Bisous!